Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about crepe myrtles today, and in particular these really deep, dark, crimson red crepe myrtles that you see in a lot of landscapes. There's some confusion about what variety you need to get if you want to get this deep, dark red color in your blooms. If you're going out to purchase crepe myrtles and you go to a place where the crepe myrtles don't have any blooms, you've got to check that variety, make sure you get the right variety to get this color. The reason I bring this up is there's only really two of the common crepe myrtles we see. There's two varieties that are going to get you this deep dark red. That's the red dynamite, which that's what this is, a red dynamite crepe myrtle, and then your red rocket crepe myrtles. Your red rockets are going to get bigger, 25, 30 feet tall. These red dynamites, 15, 20 feet tall. They're going to be a little bit smaller. But those are the two varieties you need to stick with if you want this deep red color. The only reason I bring this up is because there's a very common variety called country red crepe myrtles, and you would think that they're red, you would think that they're dark red like this, but they're really not. They're more of a pinkish red, and a lot of people are not happy with that when they plant a country red, and it turns out to be a very pink looking, especially if you have roses or anything in your landscape that's pink. It really brings out the pink in those crepe myrtles, and it's not what people want. The other one is Tuscarora crepe myrtles. I have no idea why, but a lot of people, when you go to a garden center, landscape supply store, ask for a red crepe myrtle, and they'll send you to the Tuscaroras. They're not red; they're pink. Those are as pink as can be, in my opinion. Maybe I'm colorblind, but to me they look extremely pink. They're not red. So your Tuscaroras and your country reds are not going to give you what you want. You need to stick with the dynamites and the red rockets. Those are the ones that are going to get you these deep crimson red blooms like this one here. So if you're out looking for those, make sure you check the variety. Don't just trust what they're telling you. Look at the variety. Make sure you get the right color that you want. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know.